Lightning!
Alright, do we have everyone here?
Everyone's still
ma'am.
here.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, let's start the shit. Alright. This is Operation Red Anvil. The date is September 11th, 2012. Time is 22:30. ODA Ghost will aid Ambassador Christopher L. Stevens and his CIA team in defending against a terrorist attack at the U.S. Embassy in Benghazi, Libya. At 21:40 tonight, members of the Ansar al-Sharia, a Libyan Islamic militia, I probably butchered that name by the way, attacked the American diplomatic compound in Benghazi. CIA contractors are currently defending the embassy and the CIA annex that you can see both of them on map. The current survivability of Ambassador Christopher Stevens is currently unknown. Ghost Team will deploy in a paradrop mission via C-130 at LZ Hotel. After regrouping, Ghost Team will progress to the CIA annex, securing it from possible terrorist attacks, and then rapidly moving through the city of Benghazi to the United States Embassy. Ghost Team will defend the embassy and protect the CIA personnel and contractors until relief from the Libyan army has been emplaced. Our tactical pace for this mission is rapid and forceful. I'm going to go ahead and let Intel take over the rest of the portion of this brief. Number 2.
Another local Islamic militia that participated in the Libyan Civil War, February 17th Martyr Brigade, or 17th Feb, has been assisting the CIA contractors in defending the embassy. So watch your fire. They will be friendly to all American forces as long as we are friendly to them. We want them on our side. 6 to 10 CIA contractors have also been reported to be defending the CIA annex and the embassy. So they will assist in defending against any possible further attacks. They have said to lose contacts with the ambassador within the last few minutes, so his survivability is unknown. Libyan forces have been called to aid at the embassy, but we are not sure of their time of arrival. The Libyan Islamist militia was reported to be rioting and chanting "God is good" outside the embassy at 21:30. RPGs began to strike the building and outside defenses. Moments later, the militia began to storm the embassy and set fire to most of it. A CIA intelligence officer was confirmed killed in action from smoke inhalation. The militia is said to be using AK-47s, PKMs, RPGs, and even technicals with Dishkas mounted on top. None of them wear a specific uniform, so telling them apart will be impossible. So do not fire unless fired upon, or you can confirm that they are enemy forces.
Alright, thank you 2. I'm going to be taking over the commo brief this time for now since 3 is not here. The call sign for our team is Ghost, yet again. The call sign for command, this is for you, number 4. Call sign for command is Romeo. We're gonna be in it thick tonight, and we're probably gonna be fighting all night long until the morning, until the Libyan army finally shows up, whenever the hell that is. All right. Sor, can you take away with your part of the brief, and then we'll get moving.
You sure? Gonna take you boys over LZ Hotel. Once you're over LZ Hotel, I'm gonna kick you out the fucking airplane with your Razor scooters, and hopefully you don't crash. And then I'm gonna come back here and grab a beer.
Hell yeah. That should be it. Hey, what's y'all's call sign?
Spooky.
Spooky? Alright. Is there any questions from anyone before we get loaded up? Hey, everyone, send up accountability again.
2 up. It's very hard to hear, though. 4 up. 5 up. 6 up. 7 up. 10 up.
Roger that. After they kick us out, prepare to we're gonna have a long journey down. And then once we land, we will regroup and then move to the CIA annex.
This
It's the most low budget ride ever.
Hey, 2, you still good back there?
Yeah, we're falling at a tilt though.
Yeah, so are we. Hey, it looks like there's a fire at the annex. We're gonna need to get there quick.
We're going really fast.
I'm scared.
Copy you too.
Me too.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna raise the case just in case.
It's gonna be Splash Mountain with blood instead of water.
Alright, we're good.
Copy, the Ghost be landing fine. We're on our way.
Remember, you're sending it up to Romeo.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all on the road? Alright, we got eyes on.
Romeo, we're
Yes.
good.
Hey,
We're fine. Over.
We're beating feet to the annex right now, alright? Once we get there, everyone dismount, pull security, and secure the area.
I don't like being back here. I'm scared they're gonna get
Yeah,
shot.
once
You
we
only
you're
fly
at
out a
you're
little
at you're at the car.
All I
I
know
have
is that
someone body blocking me, so I'm safe.
I'm double body blocked.
Hey,
I'm really
looks like
happy.
there's
and
civilians
safe.
right outside. Oh, shit, everyone dismount. Hey, pull security. Secure the area. This is the annex. It's walled off.
We got a body on the road.
Raj, it looks like it's one of the militia guys that attacked here.
Copy, Romeo. We are securing the CIA right now. Annex.
Hey, I got a guy with a gun right in the entrance. It looks like an M9. Hey, he's a CIA personnel. Hey, go ahead and get in there. I think it's secure, because this guy's here. Looks like he's defending it, but let's go double check, alright?
Clear.
You copy one?
Roger.
Can we get one medic in here?
Hey,
I'm working on somebody right now.
Five, go to 2's position. Alright, yeah, I gotcha. Hey, 7 and 10, get on the roof of these buildings and
Building's
start
clear.
doing security looking outside and watch our
Who's this
lasers.
right in front of this building, little hut?
Yo, I'm on the roof. I'm gonna stay up here, I think, unless I have to come down.
Back entrance is clear.
Hey, Forrest, send up to command that we've secured the annex. There seems to be no signs of a live Islamic militia coming here to attack. We're gonna stay here for a few more minutes to confirm that it's safe for these guys. But after that, we are moving very rapidly to the embassy.
Copy, this is Ghost to Romeo. We've secured the annex and are
Here,
gonna
watch out
hold
for
it
a sec.
for a few more minutes.
On it.
I have an idea. What? There's a shot of Epi in them.
Yeah, but I mean, you can't even drag them, so I wouldn't worry about it.
Oh yeah, shit, if you can't drag them,
Yeah,
that means they're dead. I forgot about
I
that
can put
part.
them in a body bag, so.
Hey, 10 and
Hang on.
4, what's the status on
Medical.
the roof?
It's clear all around.
Roger.
Yeah, I'm not picking up on any sort of movement up here.
Make sure you try it with nods on too every once in a while, because sometimes you can see better with them on.
5 and 6 are free, by the way. That guy's clinically and really dead.
Roger. We're gonna give it a couple more minutes, see if there's another counterattack. If not, we are moving to the embassy. 4, send up to Romeo that we are making our way to the embassy. Ghost team, meet up at the Razors. Go ahead and mount up.
Vehicle 2 is ready.
Roger, when you're mounted up, go ahead and send up accountability.
2 up.
4 up.
5 up. Yeah, I'm up. We're good.
7 up. 10 up.
Roger that. I'm about to put a route on the map, and we are going to the embassy. Stand by. Roger. Route is on map. Let's go ahead and move. Hey, Guys in here, can y'all make sure I'm going the right way, please? I can't look at the map the whole time.
Sure thing.
Raj.
Appreciate it.
Raj. Yeah.
Only one of you do it, so that way everyone else can pull security, because we're going through Benghazi.
Fair.
I'll watch it.
Okay, I'm sorry for that spin out.
Say again?
I'm sorry for that spin out. I just couldn't see.
You're good. You're good.
I'm actually gonna put my nods on.
Yeah, go ahead. I got some guys on roofs right here.
Got it. This is Ghost of Romeo. We're moving to the city of Benghazi right now. We head to the United States Embassy. You got it.
Hey, I got guys with guns on the right side of the road. Looks like AKs. I'm gonna guess 17th Feb, because they didn't shoot at me.
Yeah, we saw.
I got more guys with guns. The whole city's up tonight.
We're coming up on the embassy. We're real close.
Roger, yeah, we're coming up on the embassy, so keep your eyes open. Appreciate it.
I hear gunfire. I think I just heard a bullet whiz. I don't know.
10 saying you might have heard a bullet go by, so keep your heads up.
No, I heard a
Here's
gunshot.
the turn to the embassy.
Come in. We are heading to the embassy right now. Wait outside.
That was a smoke.
Oh.
Hey, we're
Hey,
here.
that's
Looks
an
like
RPG.
17th Feb is here too. Let's go ahead and pull our razors inside. Let me open the gate.
I'm gonna have my razor dismount and pull security while I hold.
Hey, we're gonna make link up with whatever contractors are here, alright? Hey, are you the contractors here?
What's left of the fucking shit show that we got running here?
Hey, where are you at? On the roof?
Literally above you.
Rooftop motherfuckers.
Oh, hey man. Hey, you mind if I come up there with you and spread my team out? We're here to help
Someone
you guys
pull
out.
security behind me.
Might as well. Anything's better than this shit.
6 and 7 are on the opposite gate.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Can
It'd be a lot better if we didn't have to deal with the shit that's going
We've
down.
got a technical here. Do you want us to bring it
stand by.
inside, or do you want us to move it away from the gate?
Just leave it in its position for now. We need to worry about getting this place locked down.
How much room will it take you?
Hey, so,
I have an idea.
I know you guys are CIA contractors. We are part of the
I hear
first
vehicles
SF
moving.
group. We're coming here to reinforce you guys, help you defend this place until the Libyan army comes to reinforce you. Alright, well, I'm spreading my guys around to help you defend this place. We're on radio frequency 50 if you have ANPRC 152s.
What's left of our ANPRCs?
Honestly, we've been shelled here for fucking forever.
Yeah, I can see the first attack was pretty rough.
What'd you say your frequency was?
50.
Alright, don't let these fucking febs hear that shit.
Yeah,
You don't know what the fuck's up with these guys. They're all bad until they're not.
I guess. They look like they're helping.
Does anyone have any sandbag boxes
Is
on
really
them?
taking that,
Does anyone else hear a slight humming like an engine in the distance?
I did for a minute.
I hear it. It's coming.
I want to make sure everyone's on the same page so we don't start shooting people that we don't need to.
I'm gonna be taking out some lights, so if you hear gunshots, they're me.
What lights are you taking out? Why are you taking out lights?
We're taking out lights in the building that we're in, so that they can't see us as
Hey,
well.
I got lights.
Vehicle
Stand by for
really
laser.
I got a Vic pulling up front entrance.
Yeah, I see it as well. Hold your fire. Everyone hold your fire. Is that a...
It's a
I see a
Dishka.
Dishka on it. Hold your fire. It could be 17th
Cool.
Feb. It could be 17th Feb. Hold your fire.
Could
Hold
be.
your... Fuck.
We got gunfire.
Yep, that's
Open
not
fire.
17th Feb. Fuck, I'm pinned.
Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. Pull back.
I got
You're the
him.
medic.
He's down. I got him.
Technical's down, technical's down. Hey, you guys good over there? Fucking 6, 10?
We're good.
When are you good? I thought you got hit.
I'm good. He was shooting right at me, but I managed to get lucky.
On another side note, it appears we have another vehicle coming in from the left side. At least that's where I can hear it from. I don't see it, I can hear it.
Can we take out those lights? They're ruining my MBGs.
We have something coming in on the southwest. Looks like infantry.
Said west?
Southwest.
Roger. Get confirmation before you engage. I'm hearing a lot of shooting.
Front gate's taking fire. Front gate's taking fire.
Roger, main gate.
I have eyes on. I'm gonna start lasering this bitch.
I'm taking heavy fire on the rooftop.
Hey, one's down. I need medic top the roof. One is up con.
Hostile southwest.
Drop the RPG, drop the RPG.
We're taking RPG fire front entrance.
I have eyes on him. I'm gonna engage.
Medic top floor.
Hey, firm, we're engaging a whole squad over here.
Five, six, one of you, I need you up here now. One is down.
We're pinned at the front entrance.
No clue.
Yep, he's gonna be right now.
Yeah, 6 and I are in no position to get over there, so 5 has to do it.
I can. Stand by.
We just got out of engagement. He's moving up now.
Is this him?
Applying bandage.
Get him off the roof. Get him off the roof to a safe location.
Go, move him. I'll cover you.
No, because if I stand up, we're gonna get shot.
I'll cover you. Go.
Drag him. Don't carry him.
We have fire from the main gate, I believe.
Yeah, front gate's still taking fire. He's fucking persistent. Five, what's the status of one?
I'm dragging him. Hey, bud.
Jesus Christ. Shit's been hit the fucking fan.
Mm-hmm.
How am I doing?
You're actually doing fairly well. Just pack you and you'll be fine.
Alright. I see I got shot in the head. Probably hit my fucking helmet and knocked me goddamn unconscious. Jesus Christ. I heard we lost 2.
I watched him as I was dragging you away.
Jesus Christ.
You got shot in the head and he was just gone.
Fucking
You're
hell.
good.
Appreciate it. Hey, this is 1. I'm back on station. I know we lost 2. Let's not fucking give up hope, guys. We need to defend this place. What's the current status?
I built the
Front
trench up there.
gate fire has ceased for now.
Roger.
6 and 7
Scratch
are good as
that.
of now.
Front gate just took an RPG.
So you guys
Yeah,
know,
you've got
this trench
sporadic
will never end
contact
shrapnel
coming
for.
from that road we drove in on.
I recommend we not bunch together like this so we don't get stuck on each other.
Hey, I'm in one of these buildings on the southern side of the compound. I'm trying to get a good eyes through a window. Does anyone have the west gate under control?
Hey, firm.
Roger that. I'm over at west gate right now.
Another vehicle inbound, I can hear it.
We advise on you.
What is that?
Don't worry, we got some visibility for y'all. Don't worry, USMG boys, I'm gonna be watching that gate along with you.
Westgate, if you need MG support, I'll be on standby. Just let me know.
That guy's still alive, by the way, he's twitching on the ground.
Let him bleed.
Two seconds later, boom.
I think they're shooting loom rounds.
Yup.
Taking small arms fire at main gate.
Yeah, they are.
They're shooting loom rounds. That means they're coming in for a ground attack.
Engine.
USFG boys, be advised, we're moving back inside. We're hearing shots off in the distance, and some of those lights are starting to go out now. So we're getting off the rooftops.
Roger
Two
that.
technical southwest.
Roger. I hear Diska. Westgate.
You guys
Hey,
need support back?
fuck.
Move.
God damn it, a contractor just got killed. Westgate, Dishka.
One, you move back there?
Yes.
One Dishka down.
I'm right behind you.
Be advised, we're getting flared again.
Hey, 5 or 6, one of you make way to the Westgate right now and come check on this contractor.
I'm coming.
Hey, watch your fire. Right there in front of us.
Hey, at this rate, they probably have us sighted in, so be very
Where
careful
is
when
it?
out in the open.
On that balcony I'm pointing at. Yeah, Roger. Like you said, everyone get out of the open. They probably got snipers all in these buildings around us.
Crazy.
Mortars!
Mortars, mortars.
Get inside now. I'll cover your entry.
Hold me.
Come here, come to the stairs.
No, I'll be fine. I got this guy's protection.
Hey, is everyone good? Send up accountability. Time now. I don't know where those mortars came
We
from.
got a fucking Ural with a ZSU rolling up on the fucking road.
Main road
Hey.
or which one?
Hey, just so you're all advised, we got a
South
Ural
side.
with a ZSU coming up south.
Is that the AA cannon?
Right in front of you.
Hey, we got a
Mike on
fucking
the
Ural
way.
with an AA.
I'm not interested.
Careful.
So,
Wonder if 17th Feb's gonna come by anytime soon.
I picked up my charge, by the way.
Main gate's
Alright.
got no action really.
It's got a lot more than you think.
Yeah, the rooftop's getting a lot of it.
I don't recommend going onto the rooftop. That's how 2 died, and that's how I went ungone. It's dangerous as shit up there.
Mortar.
Fuck! We got mortars coming to get inside.
I told you it was a mortar.
Yeah, shit. Hey, everyone send up accountability.
Does this not open?
4 up.
5 up.
6 up. 7 up.
Roger. Hey, Annex, y'all good from those mortars?
Yeah, we're still kicking.
Alright, I think they're starting to close in on our position. That means somewhere around here they got a spotter that's watching us and giving coordinates. So keep your eyes open in the distance, boys, especially on rooftops.
Hey, do be advised, we just had a civilian just sprint straight in towards here. Be careful, he might have a bomb.
Which gate?
West, over by us.
Roger, I'm looking.
Mortar.
He's currently moving straight east, moving to your location.
Roger.
Mortars being set up.
Mortars inbound.
Roger, get in cover, everyone. I'm watching Westgate. After the mortar strike is done, everyone's in accountability.
Welcome to the party.
Yeah. I'm trying to watch his gates, look out for that guy you were talking about.
Yeah, he currently is moving straight towards the embassy itself.
Is he inside
He's
the
fucking
gate?
sprinted past us. Yeah, he's he's in.
I think they popped Suggs.
Hey, look out for a civilian that's inside the gate. I can't see him. Annex is telling me a civilian just sprinted inside the gate.
I got contact. South
Rod, moving up.
direct. Laser up.
Yeah, I'm pulling up.
Mag.
Where?
Hey, we got contact to the southwest.
Pull up. I'm pulling up to rooftop.
HE. HE.
We got multiple contacts to the west, outside the west gate.
Loading. Up. Is that close right? I'm hit. Negative.
Roger. I'm coming to the main gate to support you.
Copy, main gate, the blockade has been destroyed.
I see that man you're talking about.
Mhm.
Yeah, I see him. It's kind of sketchy. Nothing we can do about it though. Soldier fire.
Close on West Gate.
Roger. I got close on main gate too.
Hey, whoever that is across from me, over at West Gate, laser targets you're firing at, I can assist.
Keep it careful, Sadiq, keep it safe.
Got you covered.
Yeah, where you're
didn't
laser,
get hurt.
I should have just dropped a guy
Nice.
right there.
Yeah, I see him.
They're still just flowing right to left down that main road, but the trees are blocking our vision to the point where they're just running by and we can only lay down fire on them as they go past.
85 people knocks on. Careful, careful.
Hey, y'all good at main gate? I'm hearing a lot of fire.
Yeah, he's good.
I just stepped in the main road and killed a couple.
I'm not seeing much
bunch
over
of
here.
lights turn on.
Where at?
Weird.
Oh,
over there.
Alright, let me look. I got binos out.
I just saw a bunch of lights turn on, that's all. It was flickering in that window. We thought it was a sniper.
There are hostiles on the road. I saw them running.
I'm trying to get eyes on.
It's real rough.
I see him.
Yep.
I see him. Where I'm lazy.
Oh, I see him too.
We got guys coming
Hollywood
close
site.
to the west gate. I'm about to drop him. As soon as he crosses the... Come on across the corner, my friend. It's safe. Is he 17 Feb? He could've... Hold on.
Not anymore.
Yeah, he wasn't. That Jack... Hold on.
I recommend we start to get off these rooftops.
Yeah, that's mortars. We gotta go. There's a ton of mortars coming in.
Panic room.
I'm starting to get real low on ammo.
Yeah, I am too.
I've been blasting up there for a while.
Yeah, I gave you like 4 out of the 6 mags that I picked up from the car.
I'm at 3 mags. No, I'm at 7 mags.
Oh, I'll
What are
steal
you at?
some of the Stanag ones if you don't mind. Like 1 or 2.
Yeah, there should be some in my backpack.
Mortars coming in, get down.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, we're still kicking.
Roger. My guys are getting back on the roof. There's a lot of explosions going on right now in Benghazi. Sound like a car just blew up.
Hey, yo, we got some beatheads east.
north on the road. Or not. Never mind.
Yo, my annex boys are painting some dudes with lasers over at standby.
Hey, Roger.
Over on the east side.
Front gate, couple contacts.
Hey, everyone be advised, north 17th Feb is at West Gate. I say again, 17th Feb is at West Gate, so hold your fire.
You guys over at main gate, you have a good amount of people pushing your way.
I got myself a wall.
I got some movement just south of the compound. I don't know if it's 17th Feb or not, I can't tell. He's not aiming at the compound, he's aiming away from it, so I'm just gonna assume.
What's your pause?
I'm just to your right. I'm lasing
Roger,
the guy
you
I'm
lasing
talking
that
about. Yeah.
Raj, eyes on.
He went prone and he's aiming away from the compound, so I'm just gonna assume he's 17th Feb. We got a whole group of 17th Feb where I'm lasing right now. A ton of them.
Yeah, I have eyes on them.
Mortars coming. Mortars coming. A lot of them. Everyone getting cover. Time now. God damn, that's a lot of mortars.
Welcome to Benghazi. This is what we've been dealing with all night.
Yeah, I can tell. Sorry we're late.
At least we have some kind of help. Lost most of my team on this shit.
Hopefully we don't lose any more. Already lost one of my guys, too. My building just collapsed. Fuck, help! God damn! 7, you good? 7. Hey, mortars just hit my building. Me and 7 are fucked. 7's uncon. I'm bringing him to you. 6, I need you. Hey, Westgate just got hit hard.
4, where are you? Second floor, we both got hit.
Hey, I got you, 7. Don't worry, man. I'm patching you up. You're good.
We're gonna start moving back towards the fucking embassy.
I listen, both medics
medics with me right now, second floor on the front main gate.
Hey, I'm carrying 7 back to the embassy. I'm gonna need cover. He is fucked.
Hey, don't worry.
Copy, Buck. Buck, go. Copy. So we're saying what's to you.
Don't worry, I'm gonna pull to your location and provide security.
Alright, I'm about to enter the west gate. I'm pretty fucked up too. We got hit super hard. Bro, that shit hit me like directly, dude. God damn.
Dude, believe me, our building got fucked right on
Dude,
top
look at
of us.
ours. It's leveled.
Look, I was behind you.
Shit. Hey, we need all medics at the main building, the embassy, like right now.
I'm here.
Hey, let me bring him inside. Come on.
Where are you in the
Get
building?
in the main building, first floor. We're coming in. Me and
Hey,
7 are
whoa,
we're
whoa.
fucked.
You drop him here, just drop
I'll
him here.
work on the uncon if you want to get one.
Hey, one of you need to
7's
check
actually
out the
not that bad.
contractor too.
You're worse.
I think I have one contractor down here who's...
I put fucking 2 bandages on him to stop the bleeding, but then I picked him up right after. Yeah, I haven't even treated myself yet. I was just trying to get him out of there.
Or I got hit. A mortar dropped straight through the glass dome in the ceiling and killed me.
Both me and 4 went uncon, but then woke back up.
Jesus
You're lucky.
Christ. No, me and 7 got hit hard. Like, our building got leveled, and...
I thought ours was getting leveled for a second.
No.
I only got a scrape.
Jesus Christ. Hey, we need... Hey, how's 7? 5, am I good?
He's getting blood.
Yeah, you're good. I'm healing myself. My pain is just through the roof.
Alright, hey, when you're good, I need you to get back on security. I know you don't want to hear that, but we're, like, getting fucked up.
No. I have a grenade launcher, so...
Hey, that's good.
Yo, we got a shit ton of hostiles main gate.
Roger, I'm sending,
On my right, brother.
sending my medic at you. Hey, stay with him until he gets up.
I'm getting lit
Yep.
the fuck up, dude.
I'm gonna bring him to a safer spot.
Alright. I'm coming to main gate.
Oh, I don't recommend that too much. There's a fuck ton of dudes here.
I see him. They're right in front of me. Damn. Holy shit, they're shooting grenades like a motherfucker. Hey 5, keep watching main. I'm gonna go check on west. 6, let me know when 7's up.
Hey, I just found 4 uncon on a balcony. I just stabilized him. He's not bleeding anymore, but I got both of them in here now.
I'm coming.
Roger. Hey, nah. Freaking 5, keep security on main gate. That's priority right now. Let 6 work on them both.
Alright.
Hey, Girl Scouts, you got guys moving west.
Roger that, I'm at west gate. Where the fuck did 17 Feb go?
That's the question I've been asking all night.
They were just fucking here. We got guys still here over here on the west side. Oh, hold on. Looks like a loom round is over there. West side.
Yeah, we're engaging contacts west right now.
I just got hit by a sniper. I'm pulling back to do self-aid.
Hey, copy 4 up. I'm back awake.
Roger that. Hey, my arm is fractured. I got hit pretty hard by a sniper.
If you get to me, I'll just splint it for you.
Alright, I'm coming towards main gate. West side's not looking too good. 4, can you come over here?
Be advised, we're flaring.
Roger. Hey, can you throw a splint on? My arm is fucked.
Yeah, I think I want to keep this.
What's up?
The gun. It's fun.
I'm sure it is.
Shots.
Where?
How's it going? How's he doing?
Pretty alright. I need more blood.
I got Gook south north.
Copy. I think I got.
Is it 17th Feb? Oh, no, that's not 17th Feb.
That don't look like no 17 Feb.
Hey, we got militia north.
He's down.
Nice job on the luminaries.
Where are you going, asshole? In the building?
Yeah, thank God that was the dude I was firing at.
Is that all of them?
No
Hope
fucking
so.
idea. I hope so. Does that mean?
I think there's some to the east.
That's
Can someone pop an illumination?
Why you got nods?
They're not that good, and I can't use them with my sight.
Well, remember that those illuminations are lighting us up too for these guys who don't have nods that are attacking us.
We only have one more, so we're gonna use this one sparingly. I'm gonna snag an illuminary off my comrade and see if I can light this area up.
Please do. This is the time.
Fuck, you're getting close. Shit's about to become a kid's birthday party.
great. There's none.
It's friendly, I believe.
Roger. I think the Libyan army might be here in 17th Feb.
Let's fucking pray.
It is.
Are you certain?
They're an all green Humvee Mark 19 with a World War II hat.
Oh, thank Christ, they're here. Hey,
Fuck me.
everyone send your ups.
4 up. 5 up.
6 out.
7 up.
Roger.
Let me see if they have ammo.
We did it, boys. Not all of us made it to the end, but at least we did. Still no word about Ambassador Stevens. No one's seen him for a couple hours, but good job on surviving as long as you did, boys.
5, you have a body bag?
Negative, 9 more.